Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be a lovely collections of Rasipuram cotton sarees. In that we have two varieties. One is going to be handloom cotton sarees and one will be powerloom sarees. Both will be really amazing. All the handloom cotton sarees are 120 counts and the powerloom sarees are 100 count sarees. Both the material will be really soft and very intricate weaving in both the patterns. We have lovely colors and beautiful designs. These sarees, if you need mild stiffness, you can starch these sarees. Very lovely collections. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very beautiful handloom cotton saree, a nice happy yellow with a very beautiful green contrast in the border, and throughout the body we have small buttas in green combination, all thread buttas, beautiful one. And the pallu of the saree is in green with butta. Simple sarees but very elegant sarees. This is the pallu of the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1150. Very beautiful handloom cotton saree, nice pink with the beige combination, a beautiful one with nice buttas running through the body. This is how the saree looks. A lovely color with a contrast pallu, a nice contrast pallu with a contrast blouse for this saree. This is how it looks, and the price of the saree is 1150. The next in the same is going to be a very beautiful maroon with green combination. These are all handloom, so the weight of the saree will be very less, very light weight, ideal for elders. Beautiful one, maroon with green combination with a nice green contrast pallu with buttas in the pallu. This is how it looks, and the price of the saree is 1150. A nice brown color handloom cotton saree with a contrast beige color border on the borders. We have a small zari border also. We have a small zari in the borders. And throughout the body it's meenakari work running through the body with small embroidery. So it's more a weaving, it's not an embroidery. It's a weaving in meenakari work. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 1950. A nice yellow with a pink color combination in the handloom cotton saree. A contrast border on both the sides in pink. And throughout the body, small butta running through the body with meenakari work inside the designs, inside the thread weave with a rich pallu and a nice blouse, contrast blouse for this saree. And the price of the saree is 1950. A very beautiful, nice bottle green with off-white combination or a light fawn combination in the contrast handloom cotton saree with a very beautiful weaving running throughout the body with meenakari work in it. Nice design, beautiful pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this with rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1950. A nice pink with violet color combination, handloom cotton saree. A beautiful saree with a contrast border and a meenakari butta running through the body. It's all completely hand weaved. Very pretty works our weavers are doing. These kind of works really takes a long time. We should really appreciate the kind of work the weavers does on it. This is the pallu of the saree, and we should really support them. We are trying to support as much as we can. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1950. A nice navy blue with green color combination contrast saree, handloom cotton saree with a lovely design of weaving in green color weaving running throughout the body of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu in green, and the blouse of the saree is contrast green blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1700. A very beautiful off-white with a light brown shade contrast handloom cotton saree. You could see a beautiful weaving with small floral motifs in the border with the vertical lines either running through the borders, and the body is completely plain. Very classy, neat collections. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1260 with a pink color combination contrast handloom cotton saree with a nice butta weaving running through the body, small butta weaving. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu with a contrast blouse, pink blouse, and the price of the saree is 1700. A very beautiful dark brown shade. It's more of that pakukota color, that kind of a shade with a contrast mustard color border, and throughout the body we have weaving in mustard color, a very pretty weaving. All handloom sarees, the material of the saree will be so soft. This is the pallu of the saree, rich pallu, and the blouse is again a contrast blouse, and the price of the saree is 1700. A very beautiful handloom cotton saree with a nice contrast border. This is a korbai pattern border where the weaving is actually done like a pattu saree weaving with a very beautiful temple talambu border on top of it. These kind of weavings are very intricate and very difficult to do also. It takes really a long time to do such kind of a weaving. Beautiful one, and the body is a plain body. And the pallu of the saree is a contrast pallu with a very beautiful blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1800. A very pretty off-white with a nice mustard color combination in the talambu border again. Very intricate weaving, lovely pattern. When you wear these kind of sarees, it will look so classy, so beautiful. Contrast borders, and the pallu of the saree is a contrast pallu, and the blouse is also a contrast. This is how the saree looks, and the price of the saree is 1800. In this model we have some other combination. The next is a nice beige with blue, a peacock blue with again the talambu border. This is how the saree looks. Classy color combination, lovely pattern, you could see it. A very beautiful color combination. And the pallu is again a contrast pallu with a contrast blouse. And the next is a nice green with pink. A very beautiful, more of a light mehendi green, that kind of a shade with a pink color combination with talambu border also. This is how the saree looks. Beautiful one. And the pallu of the saree is a contrast pallu with a contrast blouse, and the price of the saree is 1800. A nice powerloom saree, a Rasipuram cotton saree, but this is a powerloom saree. A very beautiful one with a contrast border with a small floral pattern design in the borders, and throughout the body we have buttas. This is more of a pink, nice pink with a rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1150. In the same pattern, it's a very nice purple, dark purple shade, very beautiful one with a nice border, you could see, with a zari border on top of it. And this is how the saree looks, with small buttas running through the body, and a rich pallu, all thread weaved completely. And the price of this saree is 1150. A nice beige color with a pink color contrast, Rasipuram handloom cotton saree with a beautiful floral pattern design along the border also, and above that a small zari, and throughout the body we have small booties running through the body. Very neat and simple design, elegant saree this is. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu with a nice contrast running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. This is how it looks, and the price of this saree is 1050. In the same patterns, a nice mango yellow with a pink color combination. We have small thread weaving buttas in the border, and throughout the body also small booties running through the body. So this is how the saree looks. Nice neat saree, and the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1150. Sorry, 1050. The next combination is a mustard with pink, a dual tone shade, same pattern. This is how it looks. This is the body of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1050. The next combination in the same pattern is a nice peacock blue with pink shade with small booties in the body. This is how it looks. Very nice neat color, Lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1050. In the same pattern, this is more of a lemon yellow shade with a pink color combination, a dual tone shade. Looks really nice. And throughout the body we have small booties. This is how the sari looks. And the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, a nice sari. This is how it looks. And the price of the sari is 1050. The next combination is going to be navy blue with pink, small talambu border in the border, talambu design in the border, and throughout the body we have small buttas running through the body. And the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and again the price of the sari is 1050. The next is going to be a dual tone shade. This is more of a blue and pink mix in the body. A nice dual tone shade with a contrast pink border. This is how it looks. Very, very pretty sari. And the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, nice sari, and the price of the sari is 1050. The next is going to be a nice tomato pink with green color, light green color combination in the border. This is how it looks, and the price of the sari is 1050. A very pretty Powerloom cotton sari, Rasipuram Powerloom cotton sari with a contrast border, and the body is completely a nice chutney green, very beautiful one with small buttas running through the body. And the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1070. A very beautiful nice maroon color with a beige color combination, contrast sari with small booties running through the body. A nice cotton sari, all 100 counts, very, very soft material, beautiful one. This is the body of the sari, and a very nice rich pallu, and the price of the sari is 1070. In the same pattern, it's a nice leaf green pattern with a beige combination, again a fawn color to be very precise about the contrast. The body is completely thread weaved, all completely weaved sari, and the pallu of the sari is a rich pallu, and the blouse is all running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1070. This is a nice parrot green with maroon color combination, beautiful pattern, parrot green with maroon. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1070. The next is a nice green, pretty green, dark peacock green. It's almost like a blackish green, that kind of a shade with a beige combination. And in the body we have small chakra buttas running through the body. This is how the body looks. And the pallu of the sari is a rich pallu, and the price of the sari is 1070. The next in the same pattern is a very pretty pink with beige combination, and the buttas and the manga pet butta running through the body. This is how it looks. Nice design, and the pallu of the sari is a rich pallu, and the price of the sari is 1070. The next combo is a nice blue with beige with round buttas throughout the body. This is how it looks. Nice indigo blue, and the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and the price of the sari is 1050. The next is again a pink with beige combination with chakra buttas. This is how the sari looks, and a rich pallu, and the price of the sari is 1050. The next combination is navy blue with beige, again small booties, floral booties running through the body. This is how the sari looks, and the price of the sari is 1070. The next is a nice parrot green with maroon color combination in the contrast, with buttas, thread buttas running through the body. This is how it looks, and a rich pallu, and the price of the saree is 1070. A very beautiful Ananda blue shade with a pink color combination in the contrast, with a nice tree pattern design running through the body. A beautiful design running through the body. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu. And the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1250. It's a very beautiful green with beige color combination, nice tree design running through the body, contrast border. This is how the saree looks. Very nice weaving, rich weaving, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the body of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1250. The next combination is tomato pink with navy blue in the weaving, with contrast navy blue border. You could see it. This is how the saree looks, rich one, and this is the pallu, and the price of the saree. In the same pattern, it's a nice navy blue with a beige combination, tree pattern design. This is how the saree looks, beautiful one, and the pallu of the saree is like this. Body looks like this, and the price of the saree is 1250. It's a very beautiful Rasipuram Powerloom saree with a very nice contrast booties running through the body. So this is how the saree looks. A very beautiful one with a contrast border in green. Looks really nice, very rich one. And the pallu of the saree is also a rich pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. Blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 910. In the same pattern, it's a nice off-white with a contrast fawn color border. Nice design, and throughout the body we have booties running along the body with a rich pallu for this saree. This is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 910. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.